Hey, so if you're looking to make cold foam for your coffee, I want to show you guys how to do it. It's actually very simple. All you need is a milk frother. So what a milk frother is basically a cup, and it's got this magnetic frothing thing, whatever this is called, in it. So they sell these on a stick, they sell them in a thing like this, and then some machines like mine have it attached to it. So it's basically a little thing, and mine just happens to say where it's cappuccino or latte right in there. Hopefully you can see that. So what you do is you add your milk. I'm just gonna do a little bit because it froths quite a lot. So you just put it in there, and it's magnetic. So this one uses basically a magnet to do it. And then all you do is select cold. So we're gonna do a cold one. A cold foam. There's a link down below with some milk frother ideas and information. So catch you soon.